2019 Chevy Colorado USB audio aux jack replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2019 Colorado. I'm going to show you how to replace this little audio jack right here. This could be used on a bunch of different trucks because this part is used on a ton of different models and year models. But this is a Colorado. It's got the V6. It's a 2019 with the 3.6 liter. So let's go ahead and get to it. First, you want to grab this trim piece right here with both your hands, and you're going to wiggle it and pull it straight out towards you. It's going to be a little tight, but it will come out. Just pull it straight towards you. And then once you have it off, make sure the metal tabs are still on their little plastic spots, little plastic pillars. And then once you get that out, we're going to take two bolts out right here. These little screws, they're 7mm. Go ahead and get those out right here and right here. A little small 7mm socket with an extension was what I used. And once you get that out, you can kind of lean this panel forward and lift it up because there's little tabs on the bottom. Flip it upside down, and then we got to disconnect these two connectors. What you do is you take your thumb and you push on the little thumb tabs, and then you pull the connector down outwards. Don't pull it by the wires, pull it by the connector. And then you're going to take a little blue plastic pry bar or like a butter knife or whatever you got and just kind of compress the sides of this and push it forwards out the front of the plate like that. Try not to drop it like I did. But here it is. Right here is my old one. Now they sell these on Amazon. You can get a GM OEM one. Here's the GM part, or you can get an aftermarket one. So on Amazon, they have the actual OEM GM one here, which I highly recommend. But if you don't want to go that route, there is a $40 one that's aftermarket. And I will link both of them below, so check below for links. And then like I said before, this particular USB port, it fits a lot of different Chevy and GM models. Here's kind of like a list of all the ones it fits. So you could use this video for other trucks or, you know, cars if you have the same kind of dash setup. But yeah, I'll link that part below, so check for that. So I got my new part here. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy in. I'm going to go ahead and just install this right here. Now, you can only install it one way because there's a little tab on the top that makes sure it goes in. So put that little notch tab towards the top. Push it all the way in, it'll click in, and we'll put our connectors in. Be kind of careful with these connectors. Make sure you line them up perfectly straight and then push them in. You should hear like an audible click or a little snap when they lock into place, and they should stay in there. They shouldn't be able to back out at all. So get those in. Once those are in, you want to take this little trim plate and you want to install the bottom part of it first. There's these little tabs. Put the bottom part in and then lean the top back. It should line up with those screw holes fine, and then we'll put our screws back in. So get your screws in. I just kind of hand started mine, and then I tighten them down with my ratchet. You don't got to go crazy tight. Just get that secured like that, and then I push these wire harnesses a little out the way to put the trim panel piece back on. The trim panel piece, lean the top center tabs in first and then do the bottom ones. Otherwise it'll like not want to go in on you. But basically that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.